Forgot Windows password. Here is a Windows 10 password reset tool for you. Just follow us to reset Windows 10 password. Go to the official website of PassFab for WinKey to download the tool on another accessible computer. You can get the link in the description. Now, run PassFab for WinKey. Plug in a USB to install Windows password reset tool. Choose USB flash drive and click Next. Once done, insert the USB to your locked laptop. Restart. Press F12. Boot from the USB. Select your operating system. Choose your account. And select Reset Account Password. Click Next. Enter a new password. Click Reset. Then reboot the computer. Now, you can use your new password to unlock your lock screen.